Okay. Robin is reconnecting.
HY, huwag kang lumalim ng ganyan na. Mamamatay ka. Pre, dito, hindi ka nila paliligtasin. Hindi, kanina pinaliligtas ka. Ngayon, hindi. May blood letter yan. Kamakin, everybody. Kamakin.
May bomb din ba yan?
Okay. This is what to do, guys. This is what to do. If they going to engage, put Helion Hood on their collar.
Pwede
HY,
aussi.
no? Bukaro, ay hindi. Ganito na lang. HY, i-Helion Hood mo yung mostly DPS nila, yung Donsong tsaka Longbow. Ikaw, HY, i-GA mo yung ano, yung collar nila, no? Okay?
Enzo Sperma.
Tapos Bukaro, magano ka yung...
Naglalag Albion ko. Ako rin ba?
Kamakin, everybody, kamakin. Wag,
They brawl.
Bedrock their collar, ano, ha? As
Perfect na.
If they going to actually engaging, ano, ha? Yo, Depth Tanks, I told you, right? Depth Tanks, west side
6%.
middle. Careful, support on the middle, careful. Okay,
I'm
keep
not
listening,
there,
guys, ha?
fellow.
Keep listening. Defend, engage! Heal. Look north, everybody, come out now. Look northeast, everybody. Look northeast, come out now. Look northeast. Everybody, look northeast. They still have engaged, ha? On me, 5. We going west, ha? Guys, we going west.
Na-engage kill.
On me, 5, 4, 3, 2. Inside only. Step down. Okay, come back. Defense ready. Go. Spread. They have engaged. Not yet. Okay, now. They engage. Come back in, everybody. Come back in now. Come back.
Ana, Grinda.
Come back in. Everybody, come back in. I told you to come back in, ha? Support look front. Healers look front. Don't leave your front. Careful right now. Look west side. DPS. Look west side.
First.
Okay, on me, ready? Not yet. Ready defensive also, okay? Ready defensive also. Yo, HY, umano kayo dyan? Si Anra, nasa labas, oh. Pahin nga. Oh my god, nagagamit tuloy yung mga defensive dahil sa inyo, eh. Huwag niyo paggamit, pre. Pag engage na, mamamatay na tayo. Wala nang defensive, tinutulungan kayo. On me, ready, and then ready defensive, okay? Not yet. Yo, kill this guy, ha? Okay, red. Not yet. Go to the chest. On the chest ready, ha? On the chest ready. 5, 4, 3, 2. North of the chest. Now. And defense ready. They going to engage. Guard on. Gig.
Putang ina.
Wala.
Tayo sa Azure.
Ginagawa.
Heal and Judy.
Wala tayong
Spike ko yun namatay? Yeah.
Chikay.
Patay tayo. Trigger, come back.
Galing na-engage sila dun.
Wala tayong spike. Nagawa mo ba? Sabi ko over the wall lang, eh. Ba't kasi nag-engage ko sa nasa north side? Ay, panggi. Kambakin.
14% gate, ingat.
Okay lang yun. Huwag kayo sa stairs.
Oo, wag na kayo sa stairs, yung sasabi ko.
Okay, look north, guys. Look north on me, ah. Look north on me. Yo, look north on me again. Overall.
Also, northeast
Just-
po.
Overall,
Let's just-
4, 3, 2, overall. You know overall, right? Tangina, nasa
Bagal pre, mabagal.
ang bobo. Nasa gitna. Ba't mano ba kayo sa west side? Ba't nyo ba ako sinusundan? Pwede naman kayo mag-guess.
Yeah.
Ewan ko, ang kulit.
Range kayo, huwag kayo pababa.
Hindi ka mababatakin pa north side. Babatakin ko papunta sa wall. Ewan. Parang hindi alam. Di tuloy kayo maka-engage. Talagang i-hold kayo doon, promise. Let them come, Rigger Passer. Si Asur ba nakapag-demon doon? Kapag di ka nakapag-demon doon, di kita i-trigger. Ilang point na yung ginagawa mo kung di ka nag-demon. Careful. Let them come. Guys, we're gonna spread and brawl, okay? You're not on the middle, I told you. You're not gonna be on the middle, okay? If they pull push, you're not gonna be on the middle. Okay? Ready? Okay.
Pushing na sila.
You're not gonna be on the middle. You're not gonna be on the middle. You're not gonna be on the middle. You can go to the back line of the enemy. You can go to the back line of the enemy. If you see someone beside you, away. Defend ready. Defend. Engage. GA. On me. Okay, 5 is, buddy, full push now. They're gonna die. 5, 4, 3, 2, hit ground him now. More damage. Walang spike, sayang.
Boss.
Spread. Defense ready. They engaging. Guys, you're not on the middle. Defend. You're not on the middle. Good job. Keep rolling now. Look north. Everybody go north. Keep rolling now. Everybody go north. They're dying. Look north. 5, 4, 3, 2. North now. Uminaw. Ina, sayang. Walang spike. Come back in. Everybody back. Come back in. They have engaged. Defensive. They have not yet. Come back in. Please come back in.
Man on west.
Defend. I told you don't push, ha. Look north now. Yo, defense ready. Look north. 5. Yo, look north. 4,
Ready.
3.
Healer and Judy.
Hit. This it. And then come back. Patayin niyo, pre. Come back in now. They still have engaged.
Na-engage sila, kill.
Defend now. They engage. Okay, that's a fake. One more incoming, ha. One more incoming. Defend ready. Yo, look at the crown.
Going deep sila.
Look at the crown of the enemy. They're looking. Defense ready. Yo, defense ready. Skull mark, ha. Defense ready. Defend now. Engage. Okay. Now. J. Okay, walk in backline. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hit the middle. Just hit the middle. Wala tayong damage. Okay, spread well. You can roll. I think you can roll. Spread well. Okay, spread and roll. You can roll. You're not on the middle, right? You're not gonna be on the middle. GA, look after crown. Defensive ready. Ape.
Gago
patay
talaga.
Heal si Ape. Pahil si Ape. Patay.
Ka.
Okay, look not on me. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just hit me. Tangin ang laki niyan, pre.
Tayo madidip.
Careful. Healer, namamatay na healer, Wala na tayong blood letter. Come west, guys. We go west. Defensive ready, ha. Defense ready. They're gonna engage. Engage. G. Good job. On the middle, everybody. 5,
Mamamatay ako, kill.
3, 2. Just hit me. Sige lang. Hit nyo lang ako. Spread and roll now. Pumatay kayo, guys. Spread down.
Hindi ako namatay doon.
Spread down. Rigger, come back. Can you guys rigger? O Chicha, hindi ka ba makapag-rigger?
Oo.
Pabalik na ako.
They engage. Defend now. On me, everybody. 5. On the middle. 4, 3, 2.
Mamatay na ako lang nila.
Hit the middle. Putang ina, patayan. Gago, patayan.
Boss, nice one. Bral na lang,
Patay. Push na. Kaya. Spread now.
Kaya to, Ken.
They still have engage, ha. Full brawl. Defense ready. They have engage. Defend now. Wait, not yet. Now. Engage. Good job, gago. Panalo pa tayo, pre. Spread and roll.
Fuck,
On the middle.
heal.
Everybody on the middle. 5. Yo, on the middle. 4, 3, 2. Hit the middle. On me. Gago, laki, pre. Spread na. Spread kayo.
Wala na akong mana.
Rigger faster. Spread lang. Mamamatay na,
Sino yung may mana?
Ito, patay na to.
Napatay.
Careful. On the middle. Defense ready, ha. Defense ready. Engage. Yan na.
Engage on me.
Defend now. Okay.
Putang ina.
Silence.
Fake.
On the middle, buddy. On the middle. Keep hitting. Heal lang. Okay, right on the middle.
Heal me.
Yo, rigger naman kayo. Sage
Dawi.
fight.
Heal me guys, mamamatay ako. Patay ako. Patay na healer, kill.
On the middle. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just hit me. Tangin na, last na to, please. Sana on the best. Out.
Do we rigger or not?
Tang ina, ang sakit nila, pre.
Nah, like
Ginagawa.
now do we go back at you or come there?
Nananalo pa tayo dun, pre. Ang daming low.
Sayang naman nun. Just
Kayang kill, gago. Na-down sa kanila, pre. Caller, 2 healer na down sa cannon.
Ang kupal ni Chicha. Unang-una pa naman.
Eh,
Kaya ako dahil wala akong mana.
Namatay din ako. Sa akin sila nag-engage. Tapos na yung
Napatay
dalawang
ko na sa akin, no?
giga.
Tulungan mo siya na dito, tulungan mo siya na dito.
Babalik pa ba kami dyan, Kel?
Oh, talaga dito.
Balik pa kami, Kel?
Paano ko namatay dun?
Guys, pwede kayong bumalik. Hindi pa kayo bumabalik. So,
Balik, balik.
nandito na ako sa Ascent.
You guys still fighting?
Balik daw, guys. Go, 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 go. Everyone in HO, go.
Wala akong gear.
Ba't wala na kayong gear kahit ano?
Mamamatay na ako.
Maraming loot dun. Uwi na ako.
Oh, I died.
Run, guys, run.
Oh, I died there.
Run na. Okay,
Run
run.
na.
Kaya.
3,
My God,
2,
sarap.
1.
Wala na, panalo tayo. Unang natin, salang na
Shit.
Kung may DPS ka pa nun, Kel, no, dun sa may Lord
spike lang,
Room na
pre,
yun.
spike lang. Hindi siya pwede mag-spike, hindi marunong. Out na. Palit passing spike.
Okay, bod review. Dalawa ba bod review natin?
I have wood.
Ay, sayang.
There's wood.
Pangina, sayang.